Hello viewers, we are going to look at ordinary differential equation, and under ordinary differential equation we are going to consider direct integration. And so we've been given this question that dy dx equal to 3x squared minus 6x plus 5. And so you cannot solve this question using any other method or solution to ordinary differential equation except the direct integration. Of course, it is pertinent at this point to reiterate that there are different solutions or methods of approaching ordinary differential equation. In short form, we call it ODE. So this is one of the methods. We have direct integration. We also have exact equation. We have the use of integrating factor. We have Bernoulli's equation. We have homogeneous equation, etc. So this question we are going to use direct integration. So the first thing we do is to multiply both sides of the equation by changing x, because we want the y to stand alone. So we say multiply both sides of the equation by the x. And so when we do that, we are going to have dy dx times dx equal to, since we have a lot of variables here, this is how we do it: 3x squared minus 6x plus 5 into dx. Okay, you can choose to keep it here. Let me write it properly. You can choose to keep it here, or you choose to keep it here. Whichever way is the same thing. So when you cancel this out, you are going to be left with dy equal to 3x squared minus 6x plus 5. You put them in brackets. And so having done this, you can use this dx to open up this bracket, and when you do that, you're going to have dy to be equal to dx times 3x squared will give you 3x squared dx. dx times minus 6x will give you minus 6x dx, and dx times 5 will give you plus 5 dx. So once we've gotten to this point, we can now introduce integral sign, or we can now integrate. And so we make this mathematical statement: integrate both sides of the equation. So if we integrate both sides of the equation, we are going to have integral of dy for the left hand side equal to, this is a constant, so we bring it out 3, and then we integrate x squared dx minus this minus. This is also a constant, we bring it out and we integrate x dx plus, this is also a constant, 5 is a constant, we bring it out and we integrate the x. We bring it out and we integrate the x. And so when you integrate the y to give you y equal to, you write your 3. If you integrate x squared, this is how to do it. It will be x raised to power 2 plus 1 divided by, let me take this down, 2 plus 1. You add 1 to the power and divide by the same value. So minus, write as 6, and then we integrate x. So when you integrate x, let's put it in brackets. You have x, this x has 1, natural 1, so it will be 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus, we take 5. And so if you differentiate dx, it's going to be x. And then we add c, which is called the constant of integration. C is called the constant of integration. And so we continue to break it down. So we have y equal to x raised to power 2 plus 1 will be 3. 2 plus 1 here will be 3. So we are going to have 3, which is this 3. X raised to power 3 divided by 3. That is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 here is 3. Minus 6, we have 6. X raised to power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 will give us x squared, as 1 plus 1 here, divided by 1 plus 1 here will give us 2 plus 5x plus c. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can cancel out here. This will give us 1. This will give us 1. And also cancel out here. This will give us 1. This will give us 3. And so finally, our y will be equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x plus c. So basically that is how to solve ordinary differential equation using the direct integration method or approach. Thank you.